देखिए डॉक्टर सौम्या loves gardening also. उनका beautiful no sofas. So what is the significance of the painting, Dr. Soumya?
This is the Dashavataram or the 10 avatars of Vishnu. There's this wonderful place in Bangalore called as Chitrakala Parishad. They encourage artists from all over India, and you can go for a fair in January, the last Sunday of January.
Acha.
So this is Vishnu with all his 10 avatars.
Okay. Very beautiful.
This is instant Sabudana Dosa. I wash the Sabudana with lot of water. Preferably you have to soak it for about half an hour so that the Sabudana will reach this consistency. Like this.
Okay.
And then a lot of people soak Sabudana in curd.
The next step, क्या करेंगे?
To the Sabudana I will add curd on equal proportions. If it's a cup of Sabudana, I will add about a cup of dahi to it, curd to it. I will add about half a cup of rice flour or akki hittu. And add jeera. So for little children, this is how we make it. After the age of 1, it helps with their digestion. But too much of this is also not good. For adults, we can add chilli and ginger to it. I'll add about half a cup of onion. The dahi is the binding agent for all these things. Then a tablespoon of coriander leaves. The taste actually comes from chopped curry leaves. Little bit of this, green chilies, and a little hing to avoid flatulence or acidity. And then add a lot of water to this. So the dosa batter should be of pouring consistency.
Pouring consistency, okay.
It shouldn't be too thin, it should be too thick. You can either add more dahi to it, or you can add more water. Pouring more dahi to it makes a better batter. Okay, this needs a little extra rice flour.
So अगर we have to adjust the consistency, we can always add rice flour.
Rice flour, yeah. A lot of people add a little rava to it as well to make it crispy. Little salt. Done. This is the dosa batter.
Little bit of rava.
This is the consistency.
And now you're pouring coconut oil.
Any oil. I pour coconut oil. Everybody is free to add whatever cooking oil they're comfortable with. The color is changed.
So this will break also a little bit because it's super soft.
Yeah, it's very soft. Which is why we give this to babies. It's easy for them to chew and eat.
Achha, okay.
This is like one of those popular things that we give it to children after the age of 1.
Acha, is it? In your region, वहाँ पे, okay.
Mostly in South India.
हाँ.
We give it to children after the age of 1. We just don't add ginger or chilli or any such thing. It's easy to teach them how to hold and eat because it breaks easily.
Ginger, chilli and pyaz and all you can skip just.
We can skip. Just
yes.
Gets cooked, especially the top portion. We remove the lid for about say 20 seconds. That way.
You're saying as soon as you pour, you cover the dosa so that the
We
topmost
have
part is cooked.
Yeah.
And then once that is cooked, then we have to take the lid out.
Lid down so it gets crispy.
Ah, okay.
That's how dosas are made. And if you don't cover it, the upper wala portion doesn't get cooked. But the niche wala portion gets burnt. Dosa is like it's like a lost art because I remember eating a lot of it during my childhood, but these days I don't see many people making it. So this is hopefully going to come back to our next generation.
Thanks to you.
Hopefully.
Yeah. This Neer Dosa, staple diet of?
The coastal Karnataka people. So we have it with the different kinds of chutney. I know my friends who have it with whatever they want.
Okay.
Then,
So how do you make this?
The preferred way to make it is that I will soak about maybe 1 pound of rice for more than 2 hours, along with a little bit of poha or avalake and a little bit of methi seeds.
Okay.
They are very good for health, especially for teens,
Acha.
teen girls.
Okay.
They're very good because it calms their system, especially during that part of that time of their month. So this is made regularly for girls after they hit puberty.
Okay. Okay. So 2 hours के लिए हमें 1 कटोरी we have to soak rice. Okay.
Yeah. Whatever I have soaked. Half a cup or 1 cup of coconut.
Freshly grated.
Freshly grated. Bas. Do it for a minute. Broken down and the coconut becomes more finer. I will add water to it. They can't soak rice, or if they can't remember, if they want instant Neer Dosa, they add rice flour and coconut.
Acha.
This is the consistency, is watery.
Watery consistency.
It should be like this. It's heated.
तवा गरम है.
Sweetish because of the coconut.
And oil लगाना है.
Oil, I use coconut oil.
Okay.
Any dosa, if you want a good consistency and you're not happy with the consistency, if it is too thin, the batter, it's perfectly okay to add a little rava or rice flour.
Rice flour to
Yeah,
it.
they absorb water, so the
ये कौन सी flame पे?
medium flame is the best.
Okay.
High flame, the upper wala portion doesn't get cooked.
Acha.
And low flame takes a long time. Medium flame is what is suitable. Just give it a little more push. This time it's okay. It's
Coconut
supposed to
oil you are putting?
be crispy and soft at the same time.
And that's why we add oil on top of it. Maybe this time it is superb. Very. So, one question I have: some people, their Neer Dosa comes out completely white. So you were saying your mom uses
My mom uses a cast iron tawa, so her dosas are white. My mom also doesn't use poha when she's soaking the rice.
Acha.
I use poha. I think poha also makes it a little extra crispier.
Extra crispier. Okay. You're making dosa with hand, like this. Is it traditional dosa?
Very yummy, this dosa.
It's called
Chetty.
Chetty, rich gourd dosa, यानी कि तुरई का dosa. See how? The first time I'm seeing someone making dosa like this. Wow.
Because the flour should spread, na, the batter.
Mm-hmm.
So you need little water. You spread like this.
And you learned it from?
The only problem is it takes forever to do.
Like this? Like what is the procedure?
So it is, the basic ingredient is rice. I soak it with a little urad dal, little chana dal, a little methi, and about 15 to 20 red chilies. I
Okay.
soak it overnight. Then to make it into a batter, we have to add coriander seeds,
Okay.
Dhaniya seeds, then coconut, then hing, then jaggery, then tamarind and salt.
Tamarind pulp or
Soak tamarind pulp. Then we have to make a batter out of it.
and you have to add water.
Water as per consistency. It should be thick consistency.
Okay.
Then I like making it out of rich gourd. But it tastes very good with palak. It tastes very good with amaranthus. The
Chilli.
same chutney.
Oh.
So we pour the batter for that and we sprinkle the palak or whatever leaves that we have cut.
So leaves you have to cut and then hard se you have to sprinkle. And this you learnt it from?
My mom, who does it from her mom.
Oh, nice. And how do you know this is done?
The color changed, no? The batter color, it looks cooked. So after it has gotten cooked, I will remove the lid so that it gets crispy. I close it for the rich gourd to get cooked too.
Okay.
Because it's a vegetable, it will not get done otherwise. It gets cooked with the batter and the oil.
Wow.
Done more or less done. So it will be crispy on one side and soft because of the rich gourd on the other side. It's very yummy. It's a family favorite. I love it.
Wow. First time I'm ever seeing someone, dosa like this.
My husband says it looks like multiple bhajis.
Yeah, multiple bhajis cooked together. In fact, I didn't know how did you get this color because this looks like besan ka, right? You have added what in this?
Red chili.
Red chilies will give yellowish color.
Yeah, so for colors we add badgi. Badgi red chili.
Bad gale, red
There
chili.
are
But
two
this
types of
yellowish color. You've added
haldi.
haldi also you've
Little,
added.
very little, but the color comes from the chili.
Ah, acha. Okay.
So badgi is added for color and guntur is added for spice.
Acha, okay.
I will add about say 15 badgi.
This looks like a besan rich curd chila or something bhaji pakoda because that's exactly how the pakoda color
But
is.
it tastes different because besan will taste different.
Ah, besan will and
rice
this is
based,
rice.
na?
Yeah. Very nice. Wow, beautiful.
This is everybody's favorite.
Yeah, first time I'm also waiting.
Regular Neer Dosa and all, they'll be like,
So Shweta, you have to eat now. Now you have to eat now and tell us. See, Neer Dosa and Sabudana Dosa is from, the coastal region. I'm sure you also eating bilkul traditional recipe hai. Dr.Soumya ki
Every time I
grandmom
come
hai.
here, I eat so much. I love your everything, whatever you cook. Superb.